Hello viewers and welcome to Vaduz, the capital of Liechtenstein and also the seat of the national parliament. The city, which is located along the river Rhine, has about 5,700 residents. The most prominent landmark of Vaduz is Vaduz Castle, perched atop a steep hill overlooking the city. It is the home to the reigning Prince of Liechtenstein and the Liechtenstein princely family. The city's distinct architecture is also displayed in landmarks such as the Cathedral of St. Florin, Government House, City Hall, the National Art Gallery, as well as the National Museum. Although Vaduz is the best-known town in the Principality internationally, it is not the largest. Neighboring Schaan has a larger population. Here we have a model of Vaduz Castle. The beautiful building coming up on the left is the Parliament of Liechtenstein. There is 25 elected members in there making decisions for the country. We are now walking towards the Cathedral of St. Florin. Vaduz Cathedral or Cathedral of St. Florin is a neo-Gothic church in Vaduz, Liechtenstein in the center of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Vaduz. Originally a parish church, it has held the status of cathedral since 1997. I will end the Vaduz video around here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. Stay safe until next Sunday. Thanks for watching.